Hi, welcome to Rita's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing something really light and just tasty for the palate. We're going to be doing ORZO and CRUDITES. But first thing first, in Rita's Kitchen, what must we do? Wash our hands. Alrighty, I'm back. My hands are clean. I wanted to be comfortable for you guys this week, and just let me show you what we're doing. Just really light and simple. So we're doing ORZO and CRUDITES. ORZO is a form of pasta that looks like rice. It's very fine and short like rice, but it's pasta. CRUDITES is French, but it's nothing but vegetable. Vegetables is the word. So what I went for with this CRUDITES pasta, let me tell you guys how to cook it, because I've already cooked it. I brought my water to a boil on the stove, and then I put my noodles in the pan and allowed them to cook for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, take them off the eye and let them stand for a minimum of 3 minutes. Rinse them down in cold water in your colander, and then let them cool for as long as you want. Now, I'm chilling today, so these have cooled for over 30 minutes. If you have somewhere to go, just rinse them down with cool water. 15 minutes will be a great way of just go ahead and fastly cooling that product down. So then we moving right along with the veg I used. I went with a spinach and a sliced portobello mushroom for one of the veg. I actually sauteed it down in a little olive oil, and I seasoned it with a little bit of salt. Let that cool as well. My other well, tomatoes are a fruit, but I went with a heirloom tomato, all different colors, the small size cherry ones. And what you want to do is just dice them in half. I did not saute those because I want those to already be crunchy to the taste. I went with a fresh mozzarella cheese. You could go with whatever brand you want. You could slice it down into cubes. And what I did with that mozzarella cheese is I mixed some olive oil, a little salt, a little crushed red peppers, a little marjoram, which is nothing but dried herbs. And I also did some olive oil to bring out some flavor in it once you mix it in your pasta. So now we're going to go ahead and finish telling you guys how to bring this dish to completion. So I done told you guys how we did everything. So you want to take your mozzarella cheese that's already seasoned nicely. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our mozzarella cheese into our ORZO. And that's the look you're going for. Get all of that oil out of your bowl. Just mix that around. That looks really tasty. So then you're going to take your tomatoes. I've cut them in half and quartered them because some of the tomatoes actually come really big. Mix those around. So then we coming over here and we're taking that spinach and those portobello mushrooms and putting it here. But as you guys see, spinach actually create water, and mushrooms too. Any vegetable, because vegetables are nothing but water, to be honest. So we're going to go ahead and drain that off. This is my second time draining. Okay, we're going to put that in there. Okay, so now I've already used these two here. That's the crushed red peppers and the marjoram. So I'm going to set that to the side. For my seasoning today, I'm going with an Everglades seasoning, and it's good for all different types of meats and also veg and pasta. So that's what I'm going with. I'm going to shake a little bit of that in there. Little black pepper. I'm going to wake it up with some lemon juice, or you could do lime. And this dish is for my non-meat eaters. But for my meat eaters, feel free to add you some grilled chicken or some grilled steak or even some turkey or whatever you want to put in there. It's going to be a really, really good pasta. And that's pretty much what we're looking for there. And for my vegans, you don't even have to use that mozzarella cheese. Use everything but that. Add whatever you like. Something quick and simple. Straight to the point, light, but very, very flavorful and filling to the palate. That's what you will want to go with. Something like this. And this is ORZO and CRUDITES. Done Chef Rita's way. Voila. So you guys can use this salad for anything you may like, for a summer salad, for actually an entree at home, or even just a side dish, or whatever you may think you want to use it for, but it's really, really good. So hope you guys liked. Enjoy.